Yeah, lovely people, Akwaba. I welcome you to my YouTube channel once again. Today I'm going to show you the current development right at the Kumasi Central Market. The last time I posted about the Kumasi Central Market, it was in the initial stage of the phase 1. Today I'm going to show you the recent developments and how things are moving. Just stick and stay, and also tell some family and friends to also enjoy this content. You know, as a Ghanaian youth, I wish Ghana can develop to a standard that we all would prefer to stay here and make sure we enjoy our own country. Yes, I wish this development does not stick only here in Kumasi, but also extend to other places like the western, the northern, and all other sectors in Ghana. I thank you. If you're a youth here, support my channel so that I can be bringing you some bangers. If you are just a viewer here, I'm pleading with you all to subscribe to my channel and tell some family and friends. As I always say, there are a lot of great contents that I'm making sure to bring you on this channel. Yeah, thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Let's go watch the video and see how the place is. In order to give you the best of content, I went to the site early morning to give you the atmospheric view at that hour. I went there on different occasions this February just to give you the current updates on the project.
The music.
In this video, you will notice this dome is completed and fit for purpose, and there are some changes that you can also spot as you watch this video.
The music.
Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube channel. All you should know is you can follow such stories, content, breaking news, and catch up on your favorite videos all in one place. Kindly subscribe to Pbsencherey if you've not. Thank you.